I've been alone for so long. I'm trying to find the strength to go on. Cause the world's so cold and I'm so numb. And I'm going through it all.
Together right now.
Oh, okay, okay.
So,
Is this a high desert customer or
this is my guy from Riverside.
Riverside? Okay.
Riverside, my own project, 57 Bel Air.
Oh, okay, nice.
66 Mustang.
Yeah. Damn.
This is a 2000 Integra. We did everything on this car, brother.
Okay.
Like floors, engine bays, everything OEM.
Serious?
Lights.
Oh, nice.
Screws, every panel we painted.
Okay, okay. So if someone was to bring you like an Impala, like what is your base? Like what do you?
Time frame?
No, like starting rate. Like I mean, I know you got to see the
Yeah,
car or whatever,
I gotta
but
see the cars, but some cars, like if they just want like this one, it's not that bad, you know. You just gotta do a little blocking and painting. The customers, that, you know, sometimes they're like just block it and paint it.
Yeah.
Start at 8,000.
okay, okay, good.
Restorations now you're talking about 18 and up. You
Exactly.
know, depending,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
to be honest, like it's not my thing. My thing is more like insurance, like
Yeah, yeah, it's
dealerships.
faster. It's faster.
But I've been knowing because of the Impalas, you know.
Yeah,
So,
yeah,
and
exactly.
they've been liking the work, so.
Okay, that's
Doing
good.
good.
Yeah, because you already put out a few of
Yeah,
them
yeah,
already.
yeah.
Yeah, that's good. That's real good. Cool.
I'll be right back. All right, I'll give me like an hour.
Yeah, but we took everything apart. Start doing their cars like in January.
Okay,
This one
okay.
in the Bel Air.
Yeah, okay,
So-
okay. Nice. Yeah, that's
After
dope,
they're
man.
done, another one I can take another one.
Yeah, you got any business cards?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, if you know, I know a lot of people, so
Oh, I
I'll
bet.
definitely pass it on. Cool, appreciate it.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Kid, prove that cat until he clipped his lip. She took my diamond ring. Jumped in my kitty and she pulled my heart.
¿Medio va a quedar?
Bye.